How to update your YouTube channel banner. So hey guys, if you want to change the banner picture of your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing we need to do is use the YouTube Studio application. So if you don't have the YouTube Studio application, you can download it from Play Store or your App Store. Then once you have your YouTube Studio app installed, simply open it, and then once you are inside the YouTube Studio application, click onto the profile picture at the top right. Then in this page, you need to click onto this pencil icon at the right side. Once you click onto the pencil icon, you can see this interface. Now here, this is the YouTube channel banner. So basically, if you want to change the banner of your YouTube channel, you need to change this particular picture right here. So to change it, click onto this camera icon at the bottom right corner of this picture. Now you have two options. Either you can take a photograph right now from your camera, or you can choose any photo from your mobile storage. So if you already have a photo, then you need to choose this second option. Then it will open up your gallery. Now simply choose up that particular photo which you want to set as your YouTube channel banner. So for example, let's say this particular photo. So simply click onto it, and now you can adjust it according to your wish. And then once you have adjusted, you can see this interface on which the white color for this particular length from here to here represents the all devices. That means this particular section or part or area will be represented or visible in every device, whether it is a mobile or a TV or a desktop. And in the desktop, the other portion will be visible as well, which is this portion and this portion. And for the TV, this complete section will be visible. So once you are satisfied with your settings, you need to click onto this save option at the top right. Just give it some time, and here you can see that it has displayed a message that channel banner updated successfully, and the channel banner has been successfully updated. So that's how easy it is to update or change your channel banner from your Android or iOS devices. So if this video was helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like, comment on the video and tell us how it go for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.